Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, dear students. In this lesson, I will be explaining how you can practice for the lab exam. So question number 2, if you can see, create the following table in Microsoft Excel. So you will open Microsoft Excel. Blank workbook. Okay, so now you can see that let me zoom it a little bit by using the zoom scroll menu. Now if you see the question has 4 labels: item name, unit cost, quantity sold, and total cost. So I will tap these 4 labels: item name, unit cost, then quantity sold, and finally is total cost. After this, let's read the second question. Add any 3 items with their unit cost and quantity. So what we will do, just come to our table. Now I'm adding few items. Milk, unit cost is 8, quantity is 3. You can add from yourself. Then we have butter, and finally we have cheese. Okay, so this is what we have added, right? After that, let's read the question. Write a formula, calculate the total cost. So how you will write the formula? It's very simple. Just click on the total cost cell. Now if you see this cell is small, the word is big, so double click here to make it big. Same here and same here. So to write a formula, you always start with equal. So now this unit cost is multiplied with quantity sold. So click on unit cost, shift 8 for typing multiply, and then click on quantity sold and then enter. So once you enter, you will get the total cost. Again you can write it here, equal unit cost, shift 8, then quantity sold, and then enter. So this is how you can find the total cost of in this question. In the next question, you have this table which you have to make it, right? So let's make it now. So this is the table which we made in Excel. Now let's read question number 1. Add any 4 students. Now I will only add 2 students in my table with their math mark, ICT marks, and science mark. So I added 2 students, Hassan and Ahmad, and their marks of math, ICT, and science. Let's read the next question. Use the AutoSum function to calculate the total marks. So come to your table. This is the total mark cell. Click on the total mark cell. Then you will see this icon AutoSum. Click on it. It will select the cells and just press enter. To fill in the other one, you just click here. Come to the corner. You will see this plus sign. Just drag it down. So it will be done automatically. Next question says that use the average function to find the average math, ICT, and science marks. So for example, I want to find the average marks in math. So for this, I will just click on the cell where I want to find it. Then I will click on this arrow, and here I will find average. Now it is selecting this cell, right? So I will just need to press enter and it will give me the average. If you want to find the average marks of, for example, ICT, so what you will do, you will again click on the cell. Now click on the average function. Now if you see, it is selecting wrong cells because it's selecting maths marks. You have to change it. You have to select ICT marks and then you have to enter. Maximum means like you have to find the largest marks or highest marks in these 3 subjects for Hassan. So click it, then click on this arrow, then maximum. Now I don't want these 3 numbers, right? I want these 3 numbers. Like in which subject he got the maximum marks. So 99 is the maximum marks of Hassan. In the same way you will do the minimum marks. If you want to create a chart, you can represent the same data by creating chart. So how you can create a chart? The first thing is you must select what do you want. I just want the names of the students and their marks with the total. I don't want average marks, minimum and maximum marks. So I will just choose what I want and then I will click on the insert. Now in the insert tab we have different options, different types of charts. So for example, this is bar chart, you can click on it. So this is bar chart. You can also include another chart, like for example pie chart you can include. Okay, so in this way you can include different charts in your table. That's all for the lesson. Thank you so much.